Ron and I are on the highway again, I-15 going south from Provo, going towards Las Vegas for a ways. And it's raining. Been raining on us since we left the hotel. But this is a beautiful road through this valley, about halfway up into the mountains. Big lake down there. Green fields. Look like they're irrigated.
There goes my next car.
Yeah. 4Runner. Will be white.
Does it have to be white?
There's our chauffeur for the day. For right now anyway. Ron.
Commander of the ship.
There's the station. Well, those gas prices are deceiving. They had that 85 cheap, and then you bump up to the 87, it jumps up to about $1. We are hoping to make it at least into New Mexico or across New Mexico today through Utah. Get a little closer to Texas, maybe even into Texas. Up in the Panhandle.